We're here at 411 Riverview here in Peoria, and look what they have. Okay, we're gonna take you out. Yo. This is cool.
They only got the odd numbers up there.
This is cool. This is so cool. Watch this. Any pre-door? A little bit. This is cool. Let's go to 1. Oh, yeah. This is cool. I wonder if that's for like the parking floors.
Oh, maybe.
Any pre-door? Oh yeah.
That's like Otis leveling.
Yes.
Very cool.
Let's call the ones downstairs, because look at it. Watch this. This is cool. Oh yeah.
What's downstairs?
This goes down to the ground floor. And look at this side. This side has 4, 6, 8, 10. It's just so interesting. It's like parking.
Huh?
Looks like parking. But here we go up to 20. This is an interesting setup. Look at this. We're gonna go 4, 6, 8, 10.
Oh, the other side's got the
Yeah.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Yeah. This is cool. Here we're at 20. Any pre-door? Oh yeah. We're gonna be the look at these buttons. Still, these are cool. That's a pretty neat. It's a nice elevator. Operated every day the cabs. As well as these buttons here. These used to be touch. They just slapped on these atoms like push buttons. But these are so cool.
This is a pretty nice elevator.
It is. Not expecting this in a 20-story building. I want to ring the up chime because you know why? What? It says this car up when you ring it. Watch this.
Oh yeah.
That is so cool.
Okay.
Yes. Look at that. It's beautiful. 411 Hampton building. Anyway, with that being said, I guess that is going to be it for me.